స్వంత స్థానం వేసి టీటీడీ వారు ఏర్పాటు చేసిన లైసెన్సీ కౌంటర్లు భద్రపరుస్తూ ₹300 సర్వదర్శనం దివ్య దర్శనం క్యూలైన్లలో ఇచ్చిన బ్యాంకు శ్రీవారి దర్శనానంతరం శ్రీవారి ஆலயம் எதிர்க்க உள்ள யாத்திரை நகர் பிஎஸ்சி 4 திருப்பி கொண்டவர். பக்தர்களுக்கு வேண்டுகோள். பக்தர்கள் தங்களது உடைமைகள், செல்போன் மற்றும் காலணிகளை பையில் வைத்து மூட்டு போட்டு திருமலை திருப்பதி தேவஸ்தானம் ஏற்பாடு செய்துள்ள லக்கேஜ் கவுண்டரை பத்திரப்படுத்திக் கொள்ளவும். ₹100 சர்வதேச
सर बालाज जनकरा
Sir, please, sir.
Now, okay, I think you have taken photographs. Good.
Why? Because we are having meeting.
Okay, come, sir. Our Saratarium, Sri Gota director.
நாங்க ரெகுலரா வருவோம். நாங்க கிளியர் கோட்டாவை நாங்க தான் கவர் பண்றோம். சார். रुको.
Okay, Thambi. Thank you.
நாங்க அப்படியே எடுத்து வந்துருவோம்.
Okay. On 18th, early morning, 5:59, we have scheduled the 101st launch of India. The PSLV C-61 rocket will be lifting the Earth Observation Satellite 09. As you are all aware, the Indian space program was started in the year 1962. Now almost we are completing 63 years. This will be the 63rd launch of the PSLV. And we are going to have a Earth Observation Satellite which is going to serve the country in all domains of Earth observation. It will be all-weather satellite. Irrespective of the cloud or rain, it can take the Earth observation data and serve the country in all domains.